Hi everyone, today in this video I'll be showing you how you can easily turn off automatic download in Telegram app in mobile. So if you want a desktop video of this, you can leave a comment and I'll make the video for you. So first you have to do is open the Telegram app. Once you're on the Telegram app, you have to click on the three dashes at the top left corner, and now click on the settings. And now you can scroll down a little bit and you can see an option called data and storage. You have to click on that. And now you can see here the second section, which is automatic media download. As you can see, there are three options and it's showing automatic media download when using mobile data. So you have to turn it disable each and every step, each and every one of this. So if you want to keep it on when you are using a Wi-Fi, that means if you are using a Wi-Fi, your medias will be automatically downloaded. If you want that option, you can select the second option, or you can leave it as off. Okay, that's it for today's video. Hope you found this video informative. If yes, please like, share and subscribe, and thanks for watching.